Sorry, I just burped a little bit. Okay. There's like a lot of flavor. The bun is really good. Sorry, I burped in the middle of that. I think I just threw up a little bit. Sorry. Fuck. It just doesn't end over here with me. Toiletries are packed. Moving on. Makeup done. I didn't do anything to my hair, but, well, I could do something to my hair. Thank you guys for hanging out with me all day. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun. I don't know.